We made it to Charleston.
So we're pretty sure that the Outer Banks scene where they're running, insert it now, was like, this is where they were like running in the forest by that like old lady, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that was pretty cool. And I also like really forgot that what do you call it? Outer Banks was filmed in Charleston. So maybe we'll find a couple more places to find. So yeah. As soon as I saw this place, I was like, I knew Outer Banks was filmed here. Smile. We are at porch, for sure. And yeah, that is what's up. We got some chicken and waffles. Look how big that is. And then got me a salad with fries. Hey guys, so we are now back home and I just took a shower and got into my pajamas and I think we're gonna have pizza for dinner. But yeah, I still cannot believe I have a Love Shack fancy dress in my hand at this place. That is still insane to me, but yeah, I'm just super grateful and blessed for days like these. So I guess I'll see you guys whenever we get pizza.
They can wash their own plate.
I got this.
Hey guys, so I've kind of slacked on the vlogging recently today, but this morning we went on a walk. I'll show some pictures, and we got some Starbucks, and we came back here and we just laid down and tanned a lot, and I think my legs actually got a little bit of sun. You can't really see it in there, but so now we are gonna head to this. We're gonna go back to King Street and go eat at this like Playa Bowls place, I think that's what it's called, and then I might head to Love Shack Fancy again to get Logan Tay, a jewelry business that I really love, is doing a truck show there. So I think we're gonna check that out. And then they have to get ready and compete. So yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all along with us to go eat some lunch and shop a little bit. Pure Via Bowl with no honey.
A couple of yours should have berries too.
Eat ready. We're about to go in. Sydney. No. Bockert.
Is someone talking to me?
Just do a quick little wave.
Huh?
Just do a little wave.
Do you want a clean wave?
Sure. That's great. Packing up because we had to check out of our room at 11, or check out of our house at 11, and so yeah, we're packing up right now, cleaning up, and then I think I'm gonna get dressed and head back to King Street and do a little bit more shopping and eat brunch. Charleston now, and I had such a great time, and it was such a cute little town. So I hope y'all like this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notification every time I